Good day, everyone. Before I start my speech, let me ask you a question. First, do you think show it's enough love to your grandmother? There is one special place that holds deep meaning in my life. Grandmother house in the province, it may be simple, but it's a filled with warmth, love, and unforgettable memories. I grew up running in its yard, enjoying home cook meals, and listening to my grandmother's stories. This place represents safety and belonging. It reminds me that family and love more important than anything else. It is true. Whenever I go, I feel at home, connected to my roots and truly happy. It is simple on others but for me it's special because my grandmother says materials can't buy love. Grandmother, it's love and family that I will carry in my heart forever. That memories I won't forget forever until my last breath. Because my grandma showed me love that no everyone can do in this world. Somebody make me happy someday but it's temporary. But my grandma love it forever in my heart and soul. My grandmother house is especially because it filled with love and care. It's in the place where I feel most safe and accepted. Her kindness and guidance have shaped who I am today. The memories I made with her remind me the family is the greatest treasure. Truly, short-term happiness. But the things our grandmother did for us will be imprinted on us forever. So let's love them while they are still young and show them that they are important and we love them. Not just in words but also in deeds. I hope you will be happy with my speech. Even if it's simple, but I hope you will learn something from it. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a good day.